Sweltering heat for our Tuesday inland. Beaches get big sea breeze relief, and then we have a big switch everywhere for our Memorial Day weekend. Let's talk about how you can prepare for the heat and for our MDW. Tired of water in your basement or crawl space? Trust Finally Dry Waterproofing's family-owned company to fix it right. They install permanent drainage solutions guaranteed for 2 ownerships with no year limit. Get your free inspection today at www.finallydrywaterproofing.net or call 856-491-2228. Hey everyone, it's meteorologist Joe Martucci here. We have a major to moderate heat risk for our Tuesday away from the beaches. Now, in the red areas, doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be hotter, but it means that the risk to you as a person is higher because we're just a little less used to the heat in Monmouth County than in Cape May County, as an example here. We do have air quality alerts for the gray areas, but more importantly, that heat advisory for the counties in orange, and that includes Western Monmouth. That's how National Weather Service classifies it. Pretty much anywhere west of the Parkway. And then inland Ocean County. Now, why is Atlantic, Cape Cumberland, and Salem County not in this? Well, it's the way that we define a heat advisory criteria. The criteria to get into a heat advisory is higher in those counties, and we're not going to meet it. So again, it's not that it's cooler further south. It's just that the criteria is different. Either way, in the state of New Jersey, it is our earliest heat alerts on record, both today and tomorrow, as that heat alert extends into our Wednesday. Now, here's a look at our high temperatures for our Tuesday. 94 in Freehold, 94 in Buna, and then we get some sea breeze relief. 76 in LBI, 78 in Atlantic City. Great day for the beach. A-plus day for the beach. Just don't go in the ocean. We do see the Monmouth County beaches a little bit warmer, as they typically are. Winds will be out of the south a little bit later today. If you're going to be outside, burn time is about 20 minutes right about noon. Now, for our Tuesday night, we have a little early sea breeze, but it'll give way to a land breeze for the rest of the night. Super mild night here. Not very muggy, though, and that's some good news. But look at these lows, 75 in Freehold. I mean, that's our average high for this time of the year. Then we go into Wednesday, where we have a moderate heat risk here, according to NOAA, for the places that are away from the beaches. High temperatures are fairly similar to our Tuesday here. A little bit warmer in places like Galloway, but either way, it's about the same as Tuesday. We do have a little more of a wind blowing and especially a sea breeze to kick in. I wouldn't be surprised if most beach towns are in the lower 70s later in the afternoon. Now, in terms of our earliest 95 days on record, well, we're going to be well ahead of schedule if we get to 95 today or tomorrow at either of these 2 locations. And in the case of ACY Airport, if we get to 95 degrees today, it would be a tie for our earliest 95-degree day on record. At Freehold, this would be a tie for our second, but we definitely could be in the top 3 everywhere, whether it happens today or tomorrow. Here's our futurecast for tomorrow. You start to see some thunderstorms coming in from the north and west during the evening. Now, the good news with this is that this comes after dark more than likely, and that reduces the severe weather risk while still bringing us much-needed rain to the area that will continue into early on Thursday. And then we get into this much cooler weather pattern as we go into our Memorial Day weekend. We do have the possibility of small hail, and wind damage will be around in isolated areas. I think most of us are okay, but just keep in mind there will be a few strong damaging wind gusts, just a few. Now, we go into Memorial Day weekend. What are our scenarios? Listen, sometimes I got to call a spade a spade. Last week, I said this would probably be our best Memorial Day weekend in years. It's not. And I apologize for that. But we're going to be honest here and say that more than likely we're talking about a cool Memorial Day weekend. Beach highs 55 to 65, but it's not a washout. That's the most likely scenario. There's still a path where it gets hotter and more humid throughout the weekend with some showers and thunderstorms. That's a 20% chance. And our best in years, I'll give it 10%. Probably going to go close to 0 once we get into Wednesday's forecast. Here's a look at our inland 7-day. There's our temperatures for the inland areas. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, 64 to 71 degrees. Saturday looks to be our only washout at this time. Friday, Sunday, Monday do not look to be washouts here. In fact, it is very possible that the daytime hours on Friday and Sunday are totally dry with rain at night. We'll keep you updated on that here, but we do have a big weather whiplash over the next 7 days in terms of our forecast.